Everybody here, my boat. My Airsoft boat. My boat Justin, year one. It's been a while since I saw you up here, so I know to show you around. And suddenly, on my YouTube, I went around, I sent find no video about this boy. Yeah. I've been on tow, but not being winkly. Yeah. Oh. But I don't get it. It won't show on my video or nothing. I don't know. Anyway. I'll show you my bug. Put two on here. What you want. You know, see what I look. It don't was yeah. They told it will, you know, fly around at you, shoot people, shoot around. Let's see where the dog. Oh yeah, that over here. Maybe over here where I've been walking on the play. Anyway, on my YouTube too. Some of you don't know why, but yeah. But man, oh, I seen Tom it too. I don't know. I do or don't talk. I don't know how to trick that eel, but I don't know how get. Yeah, I do or not. I don't know. So, which hey, Dad, on that briefly. Tell me about how to do it, but I don't do it. I don't know how to do it, so what point is that? Maybe you want my brand know how to do it, I'll tell you. See, they ain't taught aimbot on it, but maybe, I don't know if they or not, but taught, well, really ain't. Alright, on there, people, old videos that they send me, duh. I don't know. But I don't think that really is it though, but yeah. We play on that road too there. Not y'all, but one day the place point up we do. Maybe. But we don't get y'all people here. Yeah. Maybe one day. I don't know how long it's gonna be or it'll be tight. I know do a whole full shit on the place, so probably we'll play on video. Let's see what all done to deal to this place. And deal once. Deal adding on, I didn't say. Plant on that plant we met on that plant we did, and the wing of the plant we met and potato. But I don't need help to do it tight, they can put the hedges. Can't do it by myself. Yeah, old doll house or a dope house, let me say. Where you had dough and you pee in there, stay in there. More. Yeah, made down now. I've been watering, but we'll do a whole we sit here on the plate. Show you. I haven't done my hearing tables. Still be cleaning up. One there. Alright, clean up. That's low. Dead man up here. Don't want to cut tree down your chainsaw and stuff. So give me a chance to help pick up and clean up. Oh, like to do it, but you see, I'm not able one. So I'm moving on one uphill up time, watering, and look, the duck too heavy or too long to me to pick up. So yeah. And I shut too, so I know I want that one for you. Back in the day, I bring your hair, but now they got jaw and Jill bring that we, help me out here anymore. And they do turn that one, what anymore, what it for you. They want to hang out, stove plate, like Tom does now. They don't want to work no more, no more than they had to. Go. Yep. One day that now put me. Then we need to take one day out and just play up some. That would help me out a lot. What on this play. So I don't mind on myself just too much for one day. I need help with this stuff. I think you can't heal, boy. Oh, my dad jumped it a little bit. We put in there you want one, speaking of hill, the last stand. Seen what dad did in there, but when I was hill playing, at the last stand. Well, I don't know what to do. Should I go that way or that way? Let's see here. Wait on wait time. I know we this way. Really? We point it up here a little bit more, but we got a little bit more to do, try to move the wheel down. Bring it up a little bit more. Got that one now. But I don't think that'd be a deal. You guys can see. There's my board there. I think I did a video it on my YouTube. I don't know, I just can't see all day or everything, everybody when they wear it like that. I think it is tough. When I went for it too, I can't find this video. I did this, my board there. So, I just put the mirror just to see the way it is. Any point for you. You don't win. They fall hell, they done for you. Make the plate of me. That old building, we plan on fitting it too. One day, maybe. Oh, I let you say. Made that thing and then threw the wind up there down. Hard to know. They ain't tight down to heavy. And we kinda did out for that too, built down. Yeah, pallet and the wind we pointed. So yeah, all this stuff laying around, so we laying around until we get off. We'll only put it in, we might be able to use it again. We're done. See, we got water on there. I'm gonna know too, or maybe point bit it up too. My boy, y'all. I made it for Halloween. Kinda. Not time to build down over the year. Haven't really done much to it too. I don't know. I just took film. We ain't there for it, so y'all. Ain't cool. Bill. I mean, back in the day, you really had not your fun to bring you high in this high thing. Now you had not been, well, I still do. I don't use it much more time. We don't play at night. And made a song with it was funny. One time I sneaked up like on day at night. I just tell they just shoot everywhere. They tie a witness say on themselves. Try to tell herself on them. In there. Yeah, do turn. down there, they'll need to point up down there. And so out, they put me a base down there we made, but they'll need to point up what on. We plan one day. Start, we had one team dot down there and one team dot over there on the other side of that way over there. And probably bite over the building right here and that fan up there. And we'll have wood up there too, so the board net and stuff. I think that'll be fun. Paint will be, the paint though will be, well, I'm back to the bait, he changed his shots. So yeah, maybe one day maybe I'll have started playing on the more and the wire back and forth, you know. Maybe. So I know it'll be a pain in the butt while I'm back and forth. At that hill. Yeah, that hill over there too. But well, I think I showed you this building last time too. Yeah, that be your deal down there, yeah, right. So, yeah. It happened. Yeah, here we is. So we don't worry, bro. Ugh. That's a bullet, though. That was a tent. Not no more. I'll walk around that way, too. Yep. I'm still wanting up here. I haven't been down there yet. But they have bottom we plan on doing. Not Audi wood anyway. I don't have bottle of dirt. I just double L with this helmet when we got. But God, I don't know. I'm about to be able to do it by myself. But dang. I think I was 14. I died on that place right there. Then add on to up here. And I'm 24 now. Okay. I'm trying to play with myself and let I do it. Right by myself. A little bit help my brain then, but it must on me. And Dad don't know building there. Yep. No hole to do. Yep. And there's the way we come up right here. On the mold or the chuck. We got an Airsoft chuck now. Well, bomb chuck. That's how Airsoft chuck goes. We use it now. I'm planning on painting it to it with red. I'm planning on painting like a tan boy told me a bling and a black. Maybe. Anyway, one day, I think, well, no, it wasn't like it was like we'll day one board. We had a little ambush down there. It was pretty fun. We got moved everybody for a time. We playing on point like a, whatever thing tall, you point on like only tall. With a chair in the back of it and like a bed. Kind of like that, but yeah. A mat or something you put up. We're planning on doing that one day. I need to plant down there too though. There's my band in. I don't know if I'll show you inside that or not. I think I just did my doll out, but I'll do it. This video ain't too long so far, so that's good. Yep. little by little, they probably turn something. That darn, no, don't want ball. These people really need my brain. I really need to tell you, don't wheel duck behind. Need put pricing on here like this. This hill tall. They taught handball here. I don't know why, but they out my brain our taunts like, why not? I know you're painted it too. But right here. Everybody shooting you all right here. We'd be winning or one while. I really need to do some work down there, cause there ain't no toe down there, but I'm trying to put it on the uphill board, brought it downhill. So yeah, like I said, 2 up, one die. But hey, dip my happy play, I don't care. Most of the time. I do what I can. And they done this one by hand, really. Yeah, no, it was done by a bulldozer. But that was what it did. I think this one better than the bulldozer one we did. We done know what down there, so I know it. That way, 4 ways in here, that's the boat. The way down there, window to up here. That way, that one way I'd show you. And over there, that date I show you, that gray one. Over that right there. That way 2-way though, that way. I do all the way up the road here, so you don't know. I can't like on it. We just died. Cutting free down here for here. It will, you know, hang free to the world. I didn't even say they were like 5 ways. But you be made it was that way, this way, and that way, that bad, and way. That's right next to the band. Yeah. Still need to tuck with here. Oh yeah, I'll show you from here, mate. How many people got be out one for? That did it though. Yeah, I only do got my tutting board now though. Well, my dad did anyway. But there was got more like trees hanging around here. Cut board more there. A little bit more there. Really, I don't like these hills that walk up. They ain't really too bad hill, but you can tell it's kind of, they're trying to outstate, really. So yeah. I like walking up hill. Down here, I'm buying with it, but I want it, yeah. We did this like maybe a month ago. We already powered down. Maybe we'll we talk sport. That don't you. Yeah, I did talk with open Blue Hill. I just did that like maybe last week. So when I play last time, I hear it do it really hard to before I take over that sport, and it's really hard to take over, cause there ain't really no way doing it without hitting anybody, so. Then he got this one. Never seen the Blue Hill. That pretty had to pull down today, so I got to move it out of the way. And then I pulled it today, that's my foil. Help a little bit on there. It's bumpy inside, but outside it ain't. What you say? Yep. You know, it more, got more to do, what you say? Got barrier down up here. Go down to you. And you power. Bump power, I know. I like using pallets. I did build out point into it. You got using a pallet then point into. Well, it's a built wheel like that one time, and that one ain't really see. Yeah. Yep. And that play mate, I'll show you. All it. That way waiting in. There's a date down there. Yeah. Well, this that time to down here too. I didn't it'll be out long while hour or something. We didn't take that long today. The ground feeling like like said there, but we didn't have enough material to work with, so and we it only side of hill, so they didn't let. And we know everybody just turned down here. We stay up on that one. Now the time probably want my wood and do it, and they'll probably blow up if you got top toe up. Good day you got. And now you wove it, do it. I blew down. And it probably a little top down here at that boat dot a white towel. We thought at it and said anyway, I'll do all the way down, but I'll dot that date. There's the top. Got falling down here down dark woods. Yeah, you see, I need to do it. Well, I picked saying I time out y'all me. But one plate at a time, I didn't say. I'll get here once. Yeah, there's the top. Yep. And there was there to a bill. Yeah, here a docking point. We got move up the hill and probably take out airport or here to born there or where. We did up here one day when we would do that maybe. One time we played down here, but back in the old day, we born poor, we were 2-2. Yeah, but it was, I always didn't know it too bad, too much, I mean. Thought we were about, maybe about 15, 14, something like that. I really didn't mean, we were trying to check the guy that the other team down here. So yeah. And I don't even know what but that was more. I just thought we didn't show that why it don't look like it did back then. Like that changed that down over here. I think it was. But anyway. Yep. I think when we playing, I think Mia did think I tell everybody we can do whatever we want, and the other team don't like, bailing they can do too, but for me they doing what they want to. I own this place, so I think why not? I didn't be a real cheater. So I own this place, so why not? But we usually dating our band anyway, so good deal. I tell by that, so I tell by that like out they pit us and we start out down in our little carport, pitting our team Then we head up here, get the wood. Yeah. We probably want it dog out when we got like so many people. Well, now I don't know when it'll be. My net is I water this thing called the Bali, Polo Bali, I think. Some people got that. My boy time they were turning up and playing about doing that shit and everything. So yeah, it tore out until then. And my buddy, yeah, he said that playing it all. We let you play like thing like Team Deathmatch and multi Team Deathmatch and a hunting thing maybe. It wasn't one hunting. We hunt either 2 or 1 point. Most of the time, well, depending who I did between hunting, went up high and that. They win with. And we ain't that yet. They play. And only doing so bosses. I went to do what I need to say. Down there too. So I should do on, but we won't help. Y'all doing ball. So I ain't doing this place. Yep. Yep. 13 my daughter play. That time around. Yep. Still here. Then we're up 3. Oh, move. I put that top on and pick the wing off. And maybe one day a temper I want to pull it, but yeah, I haven't been one yet. So that one day until I buy one.